Alright, welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming here, consider subscribing to the subscribe button. Turn on the notification icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So on today's design, I'll be telling you how to place your mockup on your design. As you are seeing, this is a mockup that someone else has used, so I want to use it for this video. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So I will go and import the design I've worked on, then I'll start placing it on them. So let me allow the gallery to open so that I will import my design. Okay. Let's check. I'm still looking for where look at the thing I'm looking for here. So I will first of all import this first one here. I'll keep it here, then I will go and bring the other one. Okay, so let me get the remaining one. This one. So this is cool now. So I will start with this one. Let me lock this one. Let me hide the one. Then this one is, you go to your perspective. This is perspective 2. This is what you use to achieve this. Once you enable your perspective 2, you start arranging and set this thing to fit to this mockup here. Let's see. It's not okay. As you are seeing, this thing is taking time, but you have to calm down and do it. Still not okay. Okay, then use your position to set this one. So we've gotten this first one, then we'll start with this one. Go back to your perspective again, enable it, and start placing Okay, then use your position again to move this just like this. As you are seeing it, you've gotten this mock-up. Then you add a little bit shadow to this thing. Let's see how the thing looks like. Then draw it a little bit. This is okay. Then we do same here. Do same here. Draw it to 7. Then come over to this. Let's change the hue. Let's check something cool. This is okay. So this is how you can get your mockup with your Pixellab app once you download any mockup, especially this business card on. This is how you can press it and the thing will now look perfect and cool. So this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel and share my videos to your friends. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you next time in my next video.